Hi, Lucy. You gonna show us your crawling? Come on. Come on, darling. Come on. This way. Come on. Come this way. You can do it. You can do it. That's the way. A bit more. Yeah, good girl. Good girl. Is that called crawling with the leg up? Oh, sitting. That's the girl. Now, you're 8 months old tomorrow, darling. Did you know that? Yes. So you're crawling before 8 months. Just before. Lucy. Lucy. Hello. Yeah. What are you doing?